Good morning guys, in front of me is HONOR X7d and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select Biometrics and password and mark fingerprint ID. Enter your PIN code, the current one. If you don't have one yet, you will have to create it, and mark new fingerprint. So as you can see, the fingerprint sensor is located on your power button. So just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping, slide from right to left, left to right, up and down till your fingerprint is fully added. As you can see, it has been done. It's super quick here, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.